Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. So today I'm going to solve a sample IELTS reading question within a very short period of time. So first I'm going to read the question. So the list below gives some of the advantages of employing older workers. Which two advantages are mentioned by the writer of the text? So first I need to find out two advantages mentioned by a writer, and then in 3 and 4 question writer wants me to find out which two disadvantages are mentioned by him. So let's find out. Let's read the passage. Clearly, when older people do heavy physical work, their age may affect productivity. But other in skills may increase with age, including many that are crucial for good management, such as ability to handle people diplomatically. So it is advantageous to run a meeting or about a problem before it blows up. Peter Higgs, who coordinates OECD, works on the policy implication of aging, says that plenty of uh, research suggests older people are paid more because they are worth more. So, let's find out the two advantages. Mainly, writer indicates. But increase in crucial for good management, handle people diplomatically, to run a spot or meeting blows a problem, to spot a problem before it blows up. Peter Hicks, who coordinates OECD work with the policy implication, say that plenty of research suggests that older people are paid more, they are worth more. So such as ability to handle people diplomatically. What that is indicate, uh, and but other skill may increase with age, including for good management. Okay, they're less likely to involve in careless accident. They can predict areas that may cause trouble in the future. They're able to train young workers. They can deal with unexpected problems. uh, they are more conscientious, and they are prepared for to work for lower salaries, and they are more skilled in personal relationships. So yeah, so this is diplomatically they can diplomatically prefer good management, so they are more skilled in personal relationship. And they can predict areas that may cause travel in the future. So these two are the answer. Let's read out the next question. And the virtues of the young may be exaggerated. The few companies that have kept on older workers find they have a good judgment and their productivity is good, said Peter Peterson, author of a recent book on the impact of aging. And besides, their education interests are much better than those of today's young high school graduates. Okay, so because they are much qualified than young graduates. Companies may say that the older workers are not worth training because they are reaching end of their working lives. In fact, young people tend to switch jobs so frequently that they offer was on return on training. So let's read out next the two question. Which two advantages are mentioned by the writer? They are confident on this. They mean to that they know to stay with this one. Okay, and their training has been through, or they are not well educated, and as older workers. So thank you all, best of luck. This is how you can solve the ice question very easily within a very short period of time. Best of luck, and keep watching my videos, and don't forget to hit like and press subscribe if you find my videos helpful.